Hi, everyone.
Hi, everybody. All right, so in today's episode, we're going to be doing part 2, the continuation of the 2021 Bargain Bin collection.
This is me, I guess, collection, but
Yeah,
we're not sure. So we already did these ones.
Yeah. For those of you who have not seen part 1, please go check that out. There will be a description down below.
Yes, I'm going to actually put it in the cards at the end as well. So we initially only had 2, but then I went back to the gold mine and I found this one as well. But this one is missing a label.
Yeah, which is weird.
I don't know.
The reason we called it the Bargain Bin collection is, in fact, because we found it in the Bargain Bin section at Claro?
Yeah, something like that. Claro.
Yeah. Claro.
So this today, so we're going to swatch Beautiful, Smart, and Lovable. And these ones are darker.
All the things that I am not. It's fantastic.
You're lovable.
In like an ugly troll sort of way, I think.
All right, so we're gonna do 2 nails. We're gonna do 2 nails each. We're gonna start with the lighter one. They're very similar with the Lovable. Okay.
It's like you have chocolate milk and then you have
more milky chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, so the brushes, so the formula on the other 5 that we did was fantastic. So we're hoping for a good formula
with these 3.
With this one as well. Wow.
And it does not disappoint. Wow.
But the brushes are wonky. See, it's hard to kind of get into the groove.
It's fine.
It's very, very chocolatey. Beautiful.
Yes. Honestly, looking at it makes me want chocolate milk or a chocolate bar. Like, look how well
I know,
that
it's
applies.
so...
And I mean, on my nails,
creamy.
no less. It's just...
Oops. Yes, it's very, very creamy and it's very, very nice.
Listen, I understand we're getting excited, but you don't have to be violent.
I don't have to be violent.
Jeez.
Okay, so this one...
That's twice now.
All right, so, by the way, this is Chanel Ridge Filler as a base coat because you're wearing it, so...
Yeah, it's just being...
a little...
worn.
Yeah. So this one is called Beautiful. Beautiful.
That was not practiced, by the way.
Okay, so this is just a shade richer.
Darker. Look at that. It's the cat's meow. Meow.
How did they manage this formula? I would like to ask.
I don't know.
Because this is good.
Yep, agreed.
Because usually with a base coat, when you have a nail polish that, when you have a base coat underneath, the base coat pulls, the polish pulls the base coat, and usually you don't have such a, did I just hit it? No. You don't have such a good application.
You hit the end of my finger, but you didn't hit the actual polish.
On the first coat. Okay, so let's do the other one on these 2, because that way we will be able to see them a little bit better.
Yeah.
And this one is called Smart.
Smart.
So this one is almost like a, kind of like a coffee, no? But cooler.
Yeah, it has kind of like a coffee kind of vibe to it. Yeah.
Looks good on you, actually.
Yeah. Yeah. Agreed.
So let us know if you are familiar with this collection or if you've seen it around. Because we're curious if there's more colors or... Of course, there's a fluffy.
Of course, there's also, Dr. Google. I'm sure we could check to see if there's any more.
But we never...
Oh, that's a nice fluffy,
We never do.
Like, I don't really need a second coat for
these
2 and these 2 so far. This one,
slightly. There is a
not,
tiny amount.
Unless you're really looking, you wouldn't know.
This one has a tiny bit of red in it.
Yeah.
All right, let's do the second coat. Although, like I said, it doesn't need it. Between the coats, I like to dry them, usually. But, again, they're drying a little bit darker. It seems to be a common thing. Someone was asking how they wear, because I just published the bright colors collection.
Right. Oh, the crayons.
And they were wondering how the wear is, and we've done a wear test, and it was very good. Remember the gray one we did, the something to hero, something to hero.
Remember?
Yeah, I was very surprised. Shocked and surprised. Surprised. They tend to dry pretty quickly as well. The brushes, I'm not a fan of. There you go.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Very brown.
So if they change the brushes to better brushes, by the way, Revlon, the gel, kind of like the bottle, the straight bottle, has new brushes. Because they used to have like these ones, which are kind of like the double brushes.
Right.
They had like this split in the middle. That's what they used to have, and they were good, but the new brushes are way better.
Wow, look at those, eh? Amazing.
Yeah, you could totally pull this one off. This is kind of your color.
As a brown?
Right?
I'd have to agree.
Yeah, it's like it's not a grayish brown, but it's
kind of
dusty. It's dusty.
No.
Okay, so this is it for today's video. Today's short video.
Short video.
Yeah, because we don't have any more polishes.
Yeah. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't. Go check out all the links down in the doobly-doo below.
Let us know what you think.
And we will catch you in the next video.
See you soon. Bye.
Ciao.